Looking for a hassle-free way to upgrade or repair your vehicle's sound system? This speaker harness is designed specifically for select Ford and Toyota vehicles, plugging directly into your factory radio. Whether you're replacing a damaged harness or adding an amplifier, it offers a clean, factory-fit solution without complicated rewiring. I recently used this harness to add an amp to my 2018 Toyota Tundra SR, and it worked exactly as described. While the harness connects easily to the OEM radio, keep in mind it doesn't include all the wires you might need for bigger gauge speaker wire or amp installation. I had to tap into 5 additional wires from the factory harness, but using posi taps meant I avoided cutting any factory wiring. It's a straightforward workaround, especially considering this option is about $60 cheaper than other wiring T-harnesses on the market. What you get is a reliable, plug-and-play harness that saves time and effort. It's perfect for anyone who wants to maintain factory sound quality while upgrading components or repairing damage. Plus, it comes with a clear manual to guide you through the installation. If you're ready to simplify your sound system upgrade or repair, this harness is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to get your audio back on track with minimal fuss.